In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a Game Pass for Please Donate on Roblox. If you've ever wanted to add items for sale to your stands on Please Donate, this updated guide will show you exactly how to do it. To get started, head over to the Roblox website. Once there, click on Create at the top of the page. If you don't land on the dashboard, you can navigate to it by going to create.roblox.com and then selecting Dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, locate your place and click on it. This will bring you to a page where you can manage your creations. Scroll down and find associated items on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Passes. Next, click on Create a Pass. Here, you can add an image, give your pass a name, and provide a description. Customize it to your liking and then click Create Pass. To ensure your pass shows up for sale, click on the pass you just created and then navigate to Sales on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Item for Sale and set the price in Robux. Save your changes. Now, when you go back to Please Donate and claim a stall, your pass will be available for purchase. By following these steps, you can successfully create a Game Pass for Please Donate on Roblox, allowing you to monetize your creations effectively.